Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable IPv6 stack in Linux. And for that we have two options. The first one is we disable the whole IPv6 stack in the kernel, and this will probably be the easiest and safest way to disable it completely. And for that we need to edit our bootloader. In this case I'm using grub, and for that I'm going to sudo nano etc/default/grub, and here we need to add a kernel parameter in grub command line Linux default or grub command line Linux, and here we need to add IPv6.disable equals 1. Save it, right, and now we need to automatically reconfigure our grub CFG, and for that I'm using Arch. So I need this command. If you are using Debian or Debian based distros, Fedora or Fedora based distros, you need to adapt your command in this step. Alright, paste it in, sudo grub -mkconfig-override, execute, and that's it. After reboot, the whole IPv6 stack will be disabled. Now, you will not have the ability to change this configuration without rebooting. If you want to just specify one interface for disabling IPv6, or if you want to have the ability to disable IPv6 and enable it during runtime, we have the option 2, and that is sysctl. And for that we can do sudo sysctl net.ipv6.conf grab disable IPv6. This will grab all the interfaces which are currently available and which have the ability to configure IPv6, and show us the current configuration for IPv6, which is 0 for all of them. That means they are enabled for IPv6. And to disable them, we can create a new configuration file in etc sysctl.d 40-ipv6.conf, and we need to copy them into this configuration file, and here we can change the zeros to ones if we want to, and if you want to disable the whole IPv6 stack, we can do this here. And like mentioned before, if you just want to disable specific ones, you can do that also here. And to change during runtime and enable the new configuration, we need to sudo systemcontrol restart systemd-sysctl.service, and this will immediately enable the new configuration. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.